Hey everyone, and welcome to the Wealthnetic channel. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that affects absolutely everyone. Money. Specifically, we're talking about how to manage your finances, create a budget that actually works for you, and embrace a frugal lifestyle that doesn't feel like you're missing out. Whether you're trying to build savings, pay off debt, or just feel more in control of your financial future, this video is packed with actionable strategies you can start using today. So grab a notebook, and let's get started. First things first, let's break down the concept of budgeting. It sounds intimidating, but it's really just about telling your money where to go, instead of wondering where it went. One of the most popular and beginner-friendly methods is the 50-30-20th rule. It's super simple. 50% of your after-tax income goes toward your needs. These are the absolute essentials: rent or mortgage, utilities, groceries, transportation, and minimum debt payments. They're the things you have to pay every month. Next, 30% is allocated to your wants. This is the fun stuff: dining out, streaming services, hobbies, shopping for non-essentials, and vacations. Finally, 20% goes directly to savings and debt repayment. This includes building your emergency fund, contributing to retirement accounts, investing, and making extra payments on loans or credit cards. The beauty of the 50-30-20th rule is its flexibility. It gives you a clear framework without forcing you to track every single penny. Now, if you're someone who loves details and wants maximum control, you might prefer the zero-based budget. This method requires you to assign every single dollar of your income to a specific category. Your income minus all your expenses, savings, and debt payments should equal zero at the end of the month. It sounds intense, but it's incredibly effective at identifying where your money is really going. You're forced to be intentional with every dollar. To make this easier, you can use budgeting apps. There are tons out there, like Rocket Money or Mint, that connect to your bank accounts, categorize your spending automatically, and help you visualize your financial habits. They can even spot recurring subscriptions you might have forgotten about, saving you money instantly. Let's get real for a moment. For many people, especially those earning lower incomes, invented best-laid budget can feel impossible. I recently saw a discussion online where a couple earning minimum wage shared their struggles, and the community response was filled with powerful, real-world advice. When your income is tight, you have to look at the biggest expenses first. For most people, that's housing, transportation, and food. For housing, could you get a roommate to split the costs? It's not a deal for everyone, but it can literally cut your biggest bill in half. For transportation, car payments, insurance, and gas can eat up a huge chunk of your income. If you live in an area with good public transit, could you go car-free or become a one-car household? Selling a car can eliminate a loan payment, insurance costs, and maintenance, freeing up hundreds of dollars a month. When it comes to food, which is another major expense, planning is your superpower. Meal prepping, cooking at home, and buying generic brands can drastically reduce your grocery bill. And please, don't overlook government assistance programs. There's absolutely no shame in getting help when you need it. Programs like SNAP, the Supplemental Nutrition Assistance Program, can provide funds for groceries, while Medicaid can cover healthcare costs. These programs exist to provide a safety net and can be the lifeline that allows you to stabilize your finances and start building a better future. Check your local government websites to see what you might qualify for. Every little bit helps. Now, let us talk about a powerful trend at S, taking frugal living to a whole new level: the Buy Nothing movement. This is a community-based gifting economy. You join a local Buy Nothing group on social media, and members post things they're giving away for free, or post requests for items they need. Need a coffee maker? Ask the group before you buy one. Have baby clothes your child has outgrown? Gift them to a neighbor. It's not just about getting free stuff. It's about reducing waste, building community, and challenging our consumerist mindset. People have saved thousands of dollars a year by participating. It's a fantastic way to acquire things you need without spending a dime, and it feels great to help out your neighbors in the process. Of course, your ability to save also depends on where you live. It's a fascinating fact that some states are statistically easier to save money in than others, due to factors like cost of living, average income, and taxes. States like Alaska, North Dakota, and Wyoming often top the list for being saver-friendly, while states like Hawaii, California, and New York can be much more challenging. This isn't to say you should pack up and move, but it's important context. If you live in a high cost of living area, you'll need to be even more strategic and creative with your budgeting to reach your financial goals. It might mean being more aggressive with finding side hustles, negotiating your salary, or adopting more of these frugal habits we've discussed. Let's bring it all together. It starts with understanding your income and expenses. Choose a budgeting method that fits your personality. Whether it's the simple 50-30-20th rule or the detailed zero-based budget, use technology to your advantage with apps that automate the process. Then, attack your biggest expenses: housing, transportation, and food. Be open to unconventional solutions like roommates or going car-free. Explore community resources like Buy Nothing groups, and do not hesitate to apply for assistance programs if you qualify. They are there to help. The goal isn't to deprive yourself. It's to align your spending with your values and create a life that's rich in experiences, not just things. It's about gaining control, reducing stress, and building a secure future, $1 at a time. Thank you so much for watching. I hope these strategies have given you some new ideas and inspiration for your own financial journey. Remember, you have the power to change your financial future. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next video. I'd love to hear your best budgeting or frugal living tips in the comments below. Let's help each other grow. See you next time.